For the taxes section of your personal budget, in the instructions, there is a link to the Payroll Guru. So we want to get your taxes as close to reality as possible. So to do that, go ahead and click on the Payroll Guru. And we're going to use the current year, which is 2020. We are in California. Your filing status as a high school senior or just out of college, we're going to assume you're not married yet. So everyone's going to do the same. Single. Your payroll frequency is going to be monthly because remember, we're doing a monthly budget. We're going to use our monthly income. So our taxes have to be monthly as well. Our gross wages, remember, monthly. So you're going to go to your spreadsheet and we're going to round this. So it's 3378. So we're going to put that in the Payroll Guru, 3378 as our gross. That means before taxes or deductions. Monthly income. Our federal exemptions, we get to claim ourselves. So that's going to be 1. We have no children. We're not married. So we're going to just keep that 1. State exemption is the same. Everything else is will be calculated or 0. Once you've put those in, so just those first few sections, you're going to hit calculate paycheck. And because the whole point of this is to make sure you know how to use the spreadsheet, we're not going to take the net. We're going to take the individual taxes themselves. So you can see this section right here, federal, Social Security, Medicare, and state. Those are the ones we're going to take. We're going to ignore that state other because in San Diego County, we don't have a local tax that comes out of our paycheck. So you're going to take these 4. So I'm going to take my federal tax. I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to Control C to copy it. And I'm going to go to my spreadsheet in my tax cell, which is B7 here. It's a formula, so we start it with an equal sign. And I'm just going to Control V to paste my federal tax withholding. Then I'm going to Shift plus. I'm going to hit my plus sign and I'm going to go back and I'm going to take my Social Security. Control C to copy. Paste it right here. See, my cursor's still blinking. I haven't moved my mouse, right, into this spreadsheet. So it's still available to create that formula. So I paste it there and I'm going to plus. I'm just adding these together, but I'm making the computer do it. This is super important. I want to see those functions and formulas. If you just take the net amount and I don't see this formula, you're not going to get the points. Okay, I'm going back and I'm going to copy my last one, state tax. So you should have 4. Please make sure you're not copying the net amount. If you put that on taxes, you're going to end up with 0 income. And we're going to paste that. So now I have my federal tax, my federal withholding, plus my state withholding, my Medicare, my Social Security. And I'm just going to hit enter and it will add them all together. And because I had set up my function, my formula to subtract the taxes, it automatically subtracts them.